Welcome to Yaartech. This is an example of a CEO dashboard on revenue, cost and profit. The first three data cards on the left shows the total revenue, total cost and total profits. Incorporated in each data cards are trend lines that displays their respective movement trends in last 12 months. The fourth chart on the left is the gauge chart that shows how much actual revenue achieved against the target value of $3 million. The total revenue split by different income sources are shown in the bar chart, with the first bar indicating the top source of revenue. A comparison of revenue trends with cost trends are depicted using area chart. As you see, in some months, the total expenses were higher than the total revenue. A detailed month-on-month split of revenue, cost and profit are shown in the table chart. This table chart can be sorted by clicking on the headings. A multi-row chart is used to demonstrate the top cost types. This can be further filtered using the payment modes such as bank cards, cash and check. You can slice the dashboard based on the month shown on the left side. Each month is grouped as a tile. The dashboard can be further filtered if we click the inside of any chart. Clicking any month tile filters the data of all charts so that the dashboard represents the data of that particular month. We can build similar executive dashboards for the top management. Such dashboards can be used to get a pulse of their business. Any downward trend of their business can be identified using such dashboards well in time, so that corrective steps can be taken before it become either too late or irreversible. Thank you for listening to us.